Hey y'all, today I have a sponsorship today from Madam Glam, and I am going to be showing you what they have sent me today. Madam Glam is a vegan, cruelty-free company that sells gel polishes and the UV lamps to dry your polishes. I know Madam Glam is a company that you will love because they have you covered with all varieties of colors from winter, spring, summer, and fall. Any occasion that you need it for, they got you covered. Trust me, they got you covered. So I have a coupon code for you, which is Tiana35 right here. I will leave it for you so you will see it and you'll be able to use it whenever you need it. But I ask that you go over and look on the site for yourself and see if you find something that you would like. I will leave a link for you in the description so that you can easily find their website, go over there and get your shop on, girl. But trust me, you're going to find something that you love. Especially using 35% off, girl, you can't beat that. The 35% off, girl, you better take advantage of that. So let's get into this package so you can see what they have sent me, and maybe you will be inspired with your shopping experience. Here's the packaging, Madam Glam, New York. Everything you love at your fingertips. You can also become VIP, join their membership, and you can receive 50% always off your purchase. So that's something to think about if you would like to join the VIP. Getting into the package. We got this brown color here. Let's see. This brown color is called Toffee Break. And I'm going to swatch all the colors for y'all so you can see. We have the red, and then Toffee Break. Also have the top coat, no white top coat, a perfect white, the base coat, this beautiful pink here, y'all. I can't wait to see this. Barbie pink. No, it's Barbie girl. And hi, I'm Chandler. And that's another brown. So we're going to get into swatching these colors so we can see what they look like. All right, so we're going to swatch the Toffee Break first and see what that did look like. Get us a little of this here. Toffee Break on here. Oh, look at that. It looks just, oh, look like a caramel. Oh yeah, I like that. That's a pretty caramel. Ooh, child, honey, yes. We're gonna, and that's only one coat though. So let's wait to see what it's gonna look like with that second coat, child. Okay, so then we're gonna go in with I am Chandler. Oh, this is the perfect chocolate. Look like chocolate pudding, literally. Yes. Look at that. Look at that chocolate. Girl, the perfect chocolate. Yes. I like so far, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna do the perfect white. Let's see what the white hitting for. No, they ain't come through with this white like that right there. Oh, now this definitely is the perfect white, y'all. This is white. Like this is a white out white. You can't get no whiter. You can't get no whiter. Excuse me, y'all, but I'm about to get excited. I ain't gonna get too angle. Let me keep calm. Let me keep calm. I ain't gonna get excited. Okay, so that was only one coat of that white too. That brown, the I Am Chandler, and the Perfect White, one coat. It does the trick. All right, so this one right here is the red. Oh yeah, it's definitely giving red. It's definitely giving the perfect red. It's giving red bottom red. Oh yeah, it's definitely giving red, y'all. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Look at that red. Pretty. This don't even need a second coat. It don't need a second coat at all. Okay, so let's see what this pink is hitting for. I'm gonna roll these around, warm them up a little bit, because they is kind of thick. That's a good thing though, that they some thick polishes. You want to warm them up a little bit. Get them all melty. So this is the Barbie girl. I can tell this already finna. Ooh, ooh, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Say what? Say what? Look at that pink. Ooh. This is the perfect, when I tell you this is a perfect pink. Madam Glam, you did your thing. Madam Glam, I give you a 10 out of 10 on your colors. Madam Glam, you did that. When I tell you Barbie, that's giving Barbie all day long. All right, so, but this one right here, put you a second coat, it'll be perfect. So, yeah, let's see what they look like after 2 coats. Alrighty, y'all. So here's the colors and how they all turned out. We have Toffee Break, Hi, I Am Chandler, the red, the Perfect White, and Barbie Girl. And in my opinion, they is perfect colors. They very pigmented. You really only need a 1 coat. I applied 2 coats of the Toffee Break and 2 coats of the Perfect White. But when I tell y'all, these colors is gorgeous. You don't really need a lot of polish. And I can say that Madam Glam did their thing on their colors. So, once again, if you are interested in Madam Glam and you would like to purchase anything that you have seen here, or you would like to go and visit their site and see what they got for yourself, don't forget to take my coupon code Tiana35 right on over there with you, honey, so you can get 35% off your purchase. You don't want to miss out on that deal. 35%, don't miss that deal now. So don't forget to look down in the description box, and I have the link for you to Madam Glam website, and it'll take you right on over there. Happy shopping.